As soon as I wake up and turn off my alarm, the very first thing I do after getting in some good stretches is open all of my blinds and let the sunlight in. It's been so gloomy in DC recently that I've been trying to get as much sun as possible. Morning sun is proven to not only help regulate your sleep patterns, but it's also a natural mental health booster. I found that every morning I get a good amount of sun in, I'm almost 5 times more productive for the rest of the day. Trust me, letting in that natural light can make a huge difference in your mood and energy levels as soon as you open your eyes. I cannot start my day without a warm drink. I've been trying to cut back on coffee, so I've switched to black tea, which gives me about half the caffeine, but still gives me that morning boost. I love this little morning ritual of standing by the window and drinking my tea because it's a peaceful moment before the hustle and bustle of the day begins. I always leave my phone on my nightstand the first 30 minutes because I don't need the stress of emails right when I crack open my eyes. Taking this small amount of time just helps me feel so at peace and relaxed. I love tea, but I can't stand the taste and feel of it in my mouth after I drink it, so I always brush my teeth and scrape my tongue immediately after. Since I'm working out today, I'm keeping my skincare routine minimal, just cleanser, moisturizer, sunscreen, and a lip mask. Hello you guys, my name is Lana and welcome to my 7 a.m. morning routine. I recently did a video on 7 healthy habits that will completely level up and upgrade your life. Habit number 1 was all about creating a signature morning ritual. I know you guys might watch this video and think, okay, this girl is insane, or she has too many steps, or just that I have my life together. Trust me when I tell you, my life is still kind of a mess. Having a good morning routine honestly has made it so much less of a mess. Just a couple months ago, I had the absolute worst morning routine ever. I am not naturally a morning person. I'm a night owl, true and true. So I would wake up every day pretty much at 11 a.m., snooze my alarm, checking all my social media accounts, scrolling for at least an hour or two. Then the rest of my day would be unproductive and wasted, like a mess. But once I told myself, okay, you know, I can't live life like this. I'm not going anywhere. And I started waking up a little bit earlier, making my mornings more intentional. I've been so much more productive, and not just productive, but more calm, more at peace, more zen, more just happy to start the day. I'm telling you guys, a morning routine is life-changing. I didn't even realize how much I'm able to accomplish throughout the day was possible just by having a good morning routine. I'm never rushed, I'm never stressed out, everything is under control, everything's handled. If you don't have one already, I definitely recommend creating a routine for your morning. It is a life hack, a life cheat code, if you will. I know my morning routine is a little bit longer, and I promise you yours does not need to be as long as mine, at least at first. Even committing to waking up 30 minutes to an hour earlier, or committing to not grabbing your phone for the 30 minutes that you first start your day, these tiny little habits are gonna add up over time. I promise you it's gonna make you feel so amazing. Today for me is a little bit more of a relaxed day. I'm gonna do some Pilates at home, and then I have some work to do and a meeting to attend later. First, I need to make up my bed and get dressed to work out. I look at making my bed every morning as an act of self-care. It helps me feel calm and organized. Plus, getting into a well-made bed at the end of the day is so rewarding. It's said that people who make their beds every morning are 206.8% more likely to be millionaires because it kickstarts your brain into a productive mindset, which makes sense because you get that sense of accomplishment right from the start of your day. When I started journaling last year, I never knew how life-changing it would be for me. I'm an anxious person, constantly thinking about a million things at once, but daily journaling has been a good way for me to kind of clear out all of that brain fog. Even a few minutes of journaling can help you clear your mind, set your intentions, and stay organized throughout the rest of the day. I like to take some time in the morning to tidy up my space. Keeping my environment clean and organized helps clear my mind. This morning, I'm just cleaning the kitchen, sweeping the floor, wiping the counters, and doing the dishes. Because I do this daily, it's never a heavy lift. You'd be surprised just how much having a clean home helps with productivity. I was gonna wait a little bit until after I was done working out to eat, but my head is banging. I had a really light dinner last night, so I'm gonna go ahead and make breakfast first. Never used to be a breakfast kind of girl because I would just skip breakfast and go right into lunch because that's how late I was waking up. But with working out, honestly, I'm a lot hungrier, so I have to eat in order to fuel my body. One of the quickest and easiest meals is avocado toast. I love a good avocado toast, okay? It is so easy, it's so filling, and it's so good. And you can make it all different types of ways. I haven't even touched my phone yet, but I do need to go ahead and answer some emails after breakfast. finally take some time to catch up on work email and of course respond to messages and DMs from you guys, which I absolutely love. It always brings a smile to my face. I am doing this today while sitting on the bed because I just feel like being cozy. I've been working out at least 4 times a week since December. I used to go to classes or the gym regularly, but I started doing more at-home workouts with a YouTuber named Move by Nicole. Her workouts are short but intense, perfect for more busy days. And I feel like, yeah, okay, people talk about Pilates, but it's still underrated because it has been a miracle for transforming my body. A true 10 out of 10 workout. It's helped strengthen me, improve my flexibility, and also improve back pain that I used to have. Listening to this podcast today about women in business while I do my hair. I think Emma Green is such a role model, especially when it comes to being a woman in the industry and building something, building a brand, building a billion-dollar brand. So I'm gonna check this one out today. I haven't heard this one. I'm excited. All day, but I still like to get dressed for the day, so I'm just gonna put on this black dress. It's super comfy but still really freaking cute. I love Sundays. They're such a good quality brand and they're Australian. So many Australian brands are really good. I realized I haven't actually sat down and talked to you guys in a minute, and that is my bad. So while I'm getting ready, doing my makeup for the rest of the day, I figured we'd do a little chatty get ready with me. I also just got a bunch of new products in the mail yesterday that I wanted to try out. So I figured it would be a perfect day. It's almost summer and I'm stressing out because I have had this hair in for a minute. I know it looks decent now, but it is so greasy and so old. I don't know if any other girls feel like this. Actually, I know that's a lie. I know every girl feels like this. When your hair is not done, it just feels like the world is ending. Angels are crying right now is how I feel. I need my hair done, but I don't exactly know what I want to do. I was thinking about some boho braids, a middle part, lob, some clip-ins, a bang wig. I don't know. If you guys have suggestions for what my next hair look should be, please let me know because I am just lost. First things first, I'm gonna try out these products that I got from Nude Sticks. I love Nude Sticks. I got on their care list and they're always sending me really good stuff to try. I just released this new tinted cover foundation of yellow olivey undertones and nobody seems to get that right, especially in, you know, darker skin. Hoping this will be like a good everyday tinted foundation moisturizer, perfect for summer. Speaking of summer, I have so much prep that I need to do for the summer. Too often I'm seeing $500, $1,000, $2,000, $5,000 maintenance days. And I'm so glad that I know how to pretty much, or I've learned how to pretty much do all my maintenance at home, from brow tinting to brow lamination to gel pedicure, gel manicure, waxing. I'm thinking about doing like a full at-home maintenance day. Let me know if you guys actually want a video like that or not, because I promise you, you don't need to break the bank to be a hot girl this summer. Trust me. Okay, let's actually try this. Hopefully it works, because I don't want to have to take it off. It might be a good summer shade. I just think it's a little bit too dark. The line of demarcation from here. I really wanted to like it. I really did. Let's see when I get a little bit darker. That was a bust. I'm just gonna go ahead and do Old Reliable, which is a no foundation makeup routine.
I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been thinking of myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like, oh yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone, yeah.
I have a couple lip products I'm gonna be testing out today. First is Edam. They're such a good brand. Their makeup remover is honestly one of my favorites ever. Like, it takes off mascara, which everybody knows is so hard to take off like that. They sent me these 4 different colors. Unbox all of these. Ooh, this packaging. This is stunning. Like, I am so obsessed. The tip. So yummy. Ooh. I typically don't like browns, but this is stunning. Chef's kiss. This one is burnt malai. Ooh, this one also smells really freaking good. It's a really pretty nude gloss, like on my skin complexion. This is a perfect nude for me. Butter mochi, it's like clear. I could just see myself applying this all day long. It's not as pink as I thought it was. Natural pinky lip color. Like, it's not super pink at all, but it's pretty. I'm not even trying to say this to like be annoying. I recommend you guys to try this. I have so many lip products. Lip products are my favorite, and these are high up on my list right now. I got sent this lip gloss from Giorgio Armani, and I think that it's gonna be everything my pink at heart girly. Just the type of pink gloss I was looking for. This is just the type of pink gloss I was looking for. I love a really pretty pink that actually is gonna show up on my skin complexion. It's really nice, really smooth on my lips. I'm gonna keep this one on, but I am gonna layer it with the butter mochi, which is like the clear color from Edam, just to make it nice and thick like I like it, because that Giorgio Armani consistency is a little bit thinner. Here's the final look. Very simple, summery, glowy, clean girl makeup. As you can see, that was very quick. It took me less than 10 minutes to do my entire face. Anyways, I think my meeting starts in the next like 10 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and go. Thank you so much for spending this productive morning with me. Let me know if you guys want a night routine, because my night routine is something I pride myself on too. And I will definitely make it if that's what you guys want to see. Until next time, I love you guys so much for watching. Bye.
Kissing, I hope the cutters, whether they like it or not. I wanna show you up, I wanna show you up. I wanna brag about it, I wanna talk